Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are in sound health by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Shazada Hasin Nupur. Welcome you to Shitakun Girls High School online class. And today I am with you with English first paper class.
My dear class 8 students, our today's class is about a scene passage. What do you see on the screen? Here you see some pictures of Pearl. Am I right? Now I am going to show you a video clip for your better understand actually which topic we are going to discuss today. So let's start the video and you please watch it carefully.
A pearl is created by an oyster or mollusk quite by accident. Pearl-producing oysters are simple creatures that languish in water and feed on plankton. Occasionally, while the mollusks passively feed, a grain of sand or parasite will lodge itself inside the soft inner body of the oyster, causing its host great discomfort. Unable to expel the intruder, the oyster engages a defense mechanism within its body to protect itself from the intruder. The oyster begins to secrete a smooth, hard, crystalline substance around the intruder in order to protect itself. This substance is calcium carbonate based and is commonly referred to as nacre. As long as the intruder remains within its body, the oyster will continue to deposit nacre around it, layer upon layer. After a few years, the intruder will be totally encased in a smooth and lustrous cocoon of nacre, which has now become a pearl. But how precious pearls are formed from what an oyster regards as merely protection against irritation is one of nature's most prized secrets. For all his technology and science, man is still unable to recreate this phenomenon outside of an oyster. For nacre is not just a soothing substance. It is composed of millions of microscopic crystals, each aligned perfectly so that light passing along the axis of one is reflected and refracted by the other to produce a tapestry of light and color.
So, our today's lesson is Pulse, 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 and it is from Unit 7, Lesson 1. Now, the learning outcomes from this lesson. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to ask and answer questions, listen for information, read and understand text through silent reading. And let's go through the main passage. Thousands of years ago, the first pearl was probably discovered while human beings were searching for food at the seashore. Throughout history, the pearl with its shine has been one of the most highly valued gems. The ancient Egyptians valued pearls so much that they were buried with them. It is said that the famous queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, would dissolve a pearl in a glass and drink it as a sign of love and respect for the entire nation. The Greeks thought the pearls as a sign of wealth and social position. The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. At that time, the young women of noble families loved to wear beautiful pearl necklaces. The brave knights used to wear them in the battles for good luck. Then the next slide, and from this slide I am going to discuss some word meaning for your better understand. Pearls have been mentioned in religious texts, mythologies from the earliest times. Here we find a word mythology that means folklore, tradition, mythos, or lore. Then the next slide. The ancient Rome, pearls were considered the greatest sign of wealth and social status. Here we find a word ancient. That means old and primeval, age old, or you can say earliest. Pearls were dissolved in water in ancient time. Here we find a word dissolve, and that means melt, or you can say liquefy. Pearls were considered as the sign of status in ancient time. Here a word status, that means rank, position, standing, grade, station. Pearls were thought unparalleled to Rome. Here we find a word unparalleled, that means supreme, unmatched, incomparable, beyond compare. The beauty of pearls was associated with love and marriage. Here we find a word association, that means connotation, overtone, suggestion, reminder. It is too delicate for a woman. Here a word delicate, and that means subtle, faint, slight, gentle, elusive, soft. This slide, you see some pictures how Emma divers collect pearls. And about Emma divers, I will discuss this topic in another class. Here you see how to collect pearls from waster. And here someone processing the pearl. Now some exercise for you. And according to my discussion, you have to answer these questions. First question, question number 1. Choose the correct answer from the alternatives. And number A, mythologies are a book of what? The answer become ancient times. Second question, the word dissolve stands for what? The answer? The answer became melt. The pearl was discovered when people search for what? Search for food. Pearls have been dashed many times in religious texts. What is the answer? It is cited. Cleopatra was an what? You see here, and the answer will be Egyptian. The brave knights used to wear pearls in the battles. The answer became for good luck. What did human beings do beside seashore? What they do? From my discussion you see, and the answer became they looked for food. Now I want to give you some homework. As we are now doing online class, when school open, I will check your khata. So these questions are for you as a homework. Do it in your khata. That's it for today. Stay safe, everyone. Allah Hafiz.